Good morning, guys, and welcome to Universal's Aventura Hotel. Today is Thursday. The hotel reopened on Wednesday, so we had to stay here for a night, and then I wanted to come and enjoy the, I wanted to sleep, see what everything's like, enjoy the nightlife, and see what the hotel was like at night before I came out and gave you guys an honest, tour / review. If you guys haven't checked out my last review, it is on that hotel right there. That is Sapphire Falls. That hotel was such a blast. I'm going to link it down below and put it in that top corner so you guys can check it out. This weekend, well, today, we're here with Zombie Chris and Eddie Tainment. Hopefully we run into them in there. If not, it's okay. But for now, let's get in there. Let's start with the lobby. So before going in, I just want you guys to see the actual structure of the hotel itself. There we go. But yeah, let's walk in here. They also have this little rock path thing with little benches right outside. And like I said earlier, there's Sapphire Falls. If you look across the street, there's Cabana Bay. There it is, Universal's Aventura Hotel. Walk straight in, and then let's give you a first view at the lobby. Here's the lobby, there's the reception area. Very different to how they had it over at Sapphire Falls, but also similar, it's just less spread out than it was. So let's walk over here, look straight. Over here we have something called Urban Pantry. Urban Pantry is where you come to get your food and stuff. You can get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then over here they have the Universal Studio Store. We'll check that out later when they're open. But here we have Starbucks. Come and get your coffee, Eddie, Might get to Starbucks later. Not right now, but maybe something later. Keep panning over. We have the actual food options are all over here, as well as the dining area, which compared to other hotels that I've stayed at is a little bit smaller, but honestly, not that bad. Can't complain, honestly. So over here we can see what they have for breakfast. They have the all-American breakfast, the pancakes with Belgian waffles, and so on and so forth. And then as well as that, there's also a little bakery area over here where you can get a fruit bowl, oatmeal, a drink, or some baked goods. Now we'll pan over here to where they have some grab-and-go stuff. In the grab-and-go stuff, they have all kinds of cereals. The prices are all right here as well for those. And then here's just a pan around. Some drinks you can get. And here's the prices for the drinks. And now let's move on. Over here there's also a microwave and a toaster. There's not one in the room, just to add that into everything here. But if you want to come heat up your food, you can come down here and heat it up. You have a fridge upstairs, so you can put the food in that fridge and then bring it down here and heat it up here. So if you guys want to do that, you can do that as well. But now, let's get over to a Senor Chris over here. So it was Zombie Chris. I wasn't going crazy. He got a burrito. Whoa, hold on. Whoa. I'm sorry. Just the burrito. Just the burrito. Just the burrito. Let me get that out. We gotta make it look presentable, Making it look presentable. Here we go. We're just gonna look at that. Millions. I don't have millions, but look at that burrito. What's in this burrito, Chris?
It is, I believe, eggs, scrambled eggs. There's no meat because that's $2 extra.
So it's basically
It's like pepper jack, I think.
He's cutting into the burrito, guys. He's massacring the burrito.
Oh, look at that.
Let's get in there. Let's get really in there. Let's get in there real quick. Let's
Sexy music.
Yeah. Copyright.
It's supposed to be more of a healthy.
It looks like it. Yeah. And you were saying it looks like it's a wheat roll, right? Or a wheat.
It smells like it to me. It doesn't like the consistency of a regular
bread.
flour roll.
Yeah. I mean, that's cool. I will let you enjoy this, and I will slowly walk away. Okay, I'm leaving. Hey, look, it's Eddie. Okay. Oh. But yeah, so we asked for cups of water, and you're able to get water over here. So you can get water. Also, this is the coffee Chris got. Chris said this coffee tasted a lot like water, which is why I said water. But yeah, they also have hot chocolate, all kinds of options. Here you got your ketchup and mustard, and then we keep panning over here, and you can actually see the bus loop to and from Volcano Bay. I'm gonna walk that way so you can see it a little bit better, but there you go. That's the view. And then if you look over there, that is the tower that looks over Volcano Bay. So pretty cool, pretty cool. And then over there, you can see the endless summer resorts. So it looks like in addition to the breakfast and lunch, they also have a little bit of gelato here. And also I'm guessing this is where you can order your pizza, because there's the pizza boxes. So this is pretty cool. It's a cool little setup. It's right here in the middle. Just for perspective, we were just right there by the window and by the soda. We turn around, and then this is the whole lobby. This is pretty much it. You can literally do a full circle and be able to check out what the whole lobby looks like. So the Universal Studios store is now open, and I want to check out what's the specific merch they have for the Aventura Hotel. And I have seemed to found it. They have this t-shirt, these nice little hats. I like the little blue here. The blue is nice. It reminds me of Universal in general. These little Turvis cups. And these mugs up here. Everything else seems like it's more like pure basic Universal needs, you know? Your Universal Studio stuff. Some Christmas ornaments, because who doesn't need Christmas in summer, am I right, guys? Also, fun fact, if you stay in a hotel during Horror Nights, I know typically people that are here for my content are here for Horror Nights, you can also buy your Horror Nights merch here at the park. So, just throwing that out there in case you guys didn't know that. Alright, so now we're outside, and as you can see, there are multiple entrances to the pool. You have this entrance over here, and then this one that's like a ramp. We're going to take the staircase real quick. And so that you guys know, they have a bar out here as well. It's called Sol Bar, which basically translates to sun bar in Spanish. And also, the pool hours, at least for right now, let's walk down the stairs so I can show you a better view of it. The pool hours are 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. And you need a key card to get in here, so let's get in. Woo, this is a very heavy door. And then, just like over at Sapphire, they have a little fire pit, and you can buy marshmallows and just toast them right here. It's pretty cool. I like these fire pits. Also, here's the pool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. There's no one in it. Also, if you guys look off in the distance, you can see Cabana Bay again. If you need towels, you got your towels here. Return them right here. And yeah. There's also like this very tiny, like, not a jacuzzi, but like mini pool. It's temporarily closed though. It's basically a spa, so yeah, it's basically a jacuzzi. And then if you walk over here, it's the garden walk to Volcano Bay. So I didn't know it was in the pool area, but this is one of the cool things about this. It's distinctly different from all the other hotels. You can walk there. So let's do it. Let's walk to Volcano Bay real quick, just so you guys can check it out. It's pretty cool, I gotta say. So it's literally, normally the buses for Volcano would drop you off like right there. So hold on, let me get lower. The buses for Volcano Bay would typically drop you off right there, and then you'd come here. You see the buses coming through the loop right there. But you just come down this little ramp right here, or the staircase right there, and you're right into Volcano Bay. I like that you can walk from Volcano Bay to Aventura or vice versa. So another thing you can do is, say if you're staying at Sapphire, you can possibly come over and try to come this way. The only problem you might run into is the key doors right here, but you can possibly go and take the bus back. So I mean, it's pretty cool. I liked it. Now let's go check out the rest of this hotel. The pool is actually kind of small. Before I move on from that, the pool is kind of small, but very compact. And don't forget, since you're staying on property, you actually have the opportunity to go check out the other hotels too. So use the buses to go to the other hotels and check them out, because staying on property allows you to do things like that. Now, before we go upstairs to the second floor, if you guys wanted to know the weather and didn't have any way to access it, you have it right here on the screen, as well as them telling you the bus loop is right outside the door here. Actually, let me show you where it is real quick. Now, if you go right back out the same door we came in earlier, and you guys walk straight this way, you follow the signs to the resort shuttles, it's going to be right there on the right-hand side. But now we gotta go back inside because I gotta show you guys what's on this second floor. I keep talking about it and talking about it. All right, and now Chris has found one of the little robots.
It's like Wally. So it does different things. So you can view a demo.
How about a joke?
Joke?
What's a robot's favorite cereal? You're so cute. Oh! That's so cool. So we just put stuff in there and then...
They put the stuff in.
That's so cool.
That's how they deliver. It's the robot.
Well, thank you so much, Relay. It's so cute. I'm just gonna press OK so you can close it up.
Oh, you can take a selfie. I don't know what it does or how. Oh. I can speak elevator.
You're so cute. All right, I'm gonna have to let you go though, because I gotta go. And we're going to the elevator, guys. Going right into the elevator here. It has a digital screen.
So no rooftop part.
Oh, no rooftop. Okay, so there's no 17. Oh snap! It's Eddie. Hey! All right, but we're going up to the second floor here to go check out the guest rooms, fitness club, and the V Hub.
So you came from the room and then back down? Or?
Hi.
I was right over there.
All right.
I was taking pictures of the. Oh.
Hi. All right. Second floor. After you guys. All right. We are going into the fitness center. Now, if there's anyone in here, I will feel very uncomfortable. Okay, some people, not that many. Pretty cool, you know. I didn't really go into the one in Sapphire because there's a ton of people, and I didn't want anyone to feel uncomfortable. So yeah, it's your nice little gym away from the gym, you know. And you also have a really nice view if you're here. Like, say you're on this elliptical right here. You guys get a nice view. Hold on. You can't really look out, but a nice view over here of Sapphire. And then we come out. Hey! We come out over here. Alright, so in here in the restrooms, they have these lockers. Now these lockers, you're allowed to use them to keep your stuff in here. Say you come in a little too early to check in, but you want to freshen up after your flight. You can use these showers and these lockers. Of course, the other half is a restroom. I'm not going to show you that because that's weird. But now as you exit the elevator, you'll realize that there are 3 different colors here on the floor. Here, I'll do a full rotation so you can see the pink, the green, and the blue. These aren't just colors, they signify which way you go. So you can be on the blue side, the green side, or the pink side. And this is where we're going. We're going to come check out Eddie's room first because we have 2 separate types of rooms. We have a 2-bedroom and a 1-bedroom. So we're going to come check out the 1-bedroom. Join us, shall you? All right, guys, so just like last time, I'm going to see if anyone can give me a nice little tour.
Oh! Welcome. How are you doing, everybody?
Doing fantastic.
Well, let's do a quick room tour here. We got paid actors here.
Oh, okay, paid actors. Look at this.
Yeah, we're stepping up the quality, but right when you enter in, over on to your left, because you'd be entering like this. Your left, you got this closet right here, which most hotels have. You have your safe to keep things safe in the safe. And then you got some hangers, you got an ironing board, some space to put your luggage, mirror to check your gear, make sure your entertainment gear is looking fresh. Then you step on over to the right side room. You got your vanity area so you can get ready in the morning, check if you're fresh again, double check, triple check, quad check, whatever you got to do. Little cubbies over here as well for any of your items. As you can see, Monique has her makeup stuff in there. And then
Monique is one of the paid actors.
Yes. And then you got the bathroom. Now, on the last review, you saw I stepped into the bathroom so you could get a clear view.
A clear view. Here, I'll
what it
step
looks
back.
like. Now, this is definitely a much smaller shower than the previous bathroom that we reviewed, but still accommodating. It's weird because you got the handle over here and the shower head over here, so you got to take a shower like this. But not bad. I mean,
so why are you holding this tablet here?
So that I was gonna get to that portion right here. So, staying at the Aventura, it is a more streamlined, advanced type of hotel, technology savvy type of hotel. Not as themed as your other hotels here at Universal Resort, but very advanced as far as like the technology. So you get this iPad with your room. It's over here on this charge station next to your bed, and you get a bunch of different controls. You could speak to the front desk via text. You could order food, get guest services, as well as control the temperature in your room, change it as you'd like. 72, 80.
That's too hot.
I know. I'll keep it hot, just me, you know what I'm saying? 67 degrees, we'll keep it there, nice and cool. But then you could go back to the room controls, control the lights. So
the vegetable.
No, there's too much food on there. Here, if you look over here, I'll press that, boom, bam, and back on. So very nice and convenient. And then we got the bed. So this right here is a king size bed because we're just staying.
It's because you're a king.
Yeah, I'm a king. You also have the option for a queen size bed, which will come in 2 beds if you have more guests. But
we'll get there later. We'll get there later.
Here. What?
We'll get there later. We're going there.
Oh, we'll get that later.
Yeah, we're going to see both rooms.
We'll get that later. But you also have the option, if you do have additional guests, where the actors are sitting is a queen size pull out couch.
This is what we paid them for, to point at the couch.
Yeah. And then, do you want to do the honors?
I will do the honors. What? You know what? Actually, let's have one of the paid actors do the honors.
Oh, yeah.
Who would like to do it?
Vanna White. Come on, Vanna.
Come on.
Or is it Vanna?
Dana? No, Dana White.
Oh, there you go.
There you go. Random drum roll? No, maybe? No. Need to...
how do you want this thing?
Ooh! There we go.
Volcano Bay view. And Orlando.
What a beautiful view. We love views. These are view from the Eddie seats. But like Eddie said, you get a beautiful view of Volcano Bay right there.
I have a fear of heights.
He does have a fear of heights. If you look off in the distance, and I mean off in the distance, you can see Disney, but I can't zoom in that far. And we're not going to try to zoom in that far either.
Look down.
If you look over here, you have the icon. Or the eye. I always say it wrong. Is that? No way. Is that the drop tower already? Right there. Right next to... Yeah, and that's a slingshot.
Yeah,
it's done already.
Oh.
The ones that are opening this year.
They're
right there. Wow. Wow. Oh. She disrupted. So we have to come and check that out eventually. Video coming soon. But there's also the pool that we were at earlier. But now we have to get down to Chris's room. Alright, so here we have the other room. This is Chris's room. So we have the 2 beds here. You can see how it's a little bit more compact compared to the other room, but it's pretty spacious. It's pretty spacious, I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, here's the closet space. I think there's a fridge here, right? There's a mini fridge right here, a coffee maker just for you. And then here's the safe, just like in Eddie's. The rest of the closet space, right here, you got an ironing board and iron. And then vanity. And here's the bathroom. And like I said, this one's more compact than the other room, but gets the job done. Now let's go down to that lobby and end this the right way. And that was the Aventura Hotel. Honestly, I had a blast checking this place out. I enjoyed the sleep here. The one thing I will say, it is very compact. So, but if you're looking like just to stay here for the weekend or have like a family gathering, you know, check this out. Definitely recommend this hotel. The only thing, it doesn't have express like the other ones, like the premium hotels like Hard Rock, Portofino, or I can't remember the other hotel right now. Someone commented down below. But they don't have anything like that. But the one thing you do have is the walking path to Volcano Bay. You can take the boats over at Sapphire, or you can even take the bus, or you can even take the walking path. And with all that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you guys have any questions or what hotel you'd like for us to stay at next. Subscribe if you guys haven't already done so, and stay excellent, my dudes.